Most people think becoming rich starts at $1 million. But honestly, your life changes way before that.
There's one financial milestone that quietly changes everything, and that number is $20,000. Before this point, life feels like pushing a massive rock uphill every single day. And one unexpected expense can completely destroy your financial stability.
And because of that fear, your brain stays trapped in survival mode.
You stop thinking about growth. You only think about surviving the next month. But once your savings approach $20,000, something powerful begins to happen. The pressure starts disappearing. And your mind finally becomes clear. You stop reacting to emergencies and start planning opportunities.
This is where money begins working with you instead of against you. And now the math starts getting exciting.
Because compound interest finally becomes visible at this stage. Your money starts making money while you sleep.
The crazy part? Your next $20,000 usually comes faster than your first. Because momentum changes everything in personal finance.
But hitting $20,000 requires something most people never master.
Delayed gratification.
You learn to sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term freedom. And eventually, your identity starts changing. You prove to yourself that you control your money, not the other way around.
Now here's something nobody talks about. $20,000 gives you power. When you're not financially desperate, you negotiate differently.
You can leave toxic jobs without panic.
You can take career risks that might completely change your future.
But this is exactly where many people make a huge mistake. They blow their savings the moment they finally feel comfortable. They trade a wealth-building foundation for a depreciating asset. That $20,000 is not a reward for your past discipline. It's the foundation of your future freedom. Because the moment you stop surviving and start designing your future, everything changes.